Hello guys, welcome to Knowledge Mania. Today I will show you how to convert into big URL into a short URL using a Python. So firstly I will show you how to do this from like a website. There is a couple of the websites that convert into a long URL into a small URL. So I'm just going to a tiny URL is there. Best website is there, tiny URL. But there is a couple of websites is there, tinyurl.com. So here you can see tinyurl.com like that. This is the you can paste it from long URL and then just click on make tiny URL. It will be convert into a short URL. This is very easy, but I will show you how to do this thing on using a Python. Okay, so like lots of the people is sharing the big URL to other friends as well as like this happening from like Google Forms. Okay, if you are want to share the Google Forms, there is a loss of the long URL is there. So you want to convert into a like a short URL and then share. It's easy. Okay, so I'm just showing you a Python free books. Okay, just here yeah, third one is big. Okay, so just I'm just clicking on a third one, top 10 free Python programming books is there. But this is a long URL. Okay, no issue, this is the average URL, but in future you want to share the like a big URL into a short, then it's easy for you. Just copy and then paste it here and click on a make tiny URL. It will be show the short link. Okay, you can see here short link is there. Just I'm doing a copy and pasting, enter. Copy and pasting here. So you can see this is the same website I'm opening. Same top 10, top 10. But it's a converting to a like a short URL. Here you can see this is safe site. There is a no issue. Okay, so right now I'm showing you using a Python how to do this thing. But firstly I'm just going to a cmd command prompt. Is this confirm is a Python this library function already installed or not? So I'm just make sure this is installed or not. So Python, enter, and import py short nurse, enter. So it's error module not found, error no module name pyshorteners. So you want to install the pyshorteners using a pip install command. Pip install is the like command pip install and then package name, which package? Pyshortener, enter. So you can just take a time, it will be take a time to like installing the. Okay, successfully, very good. Okay, so now I'm just going to again Python, enter, import. Okay, yeah, it's not showing any error. Is meaning of that this is a completely successfully installed. So exit, and then I'm just going to my notepad plus and then import py shorteners, enter. But before I just save this file small URL into a py. Okay, just I'm going to save into a one variable input user defined variable. So enter the URL, simple. Okay, now this is the main thing, print. Okay, and print short URL is, it will be showing a short URL, but you want to like convert into a short URL within using this commands py shorteners, and shortener is function is py shortener function. So open bracket and close bracket, but using a which one tiny URL. tiny URL. This also called the tiny URL dot short is there, open bracket and close bracket, but you need to like a v short URL. So user you already define user define variable, so you can type a here variable like a URL, just save it. I think there is a no error coming. Okay, so now I'm just going to a CD desktop and Python small URL, enter. After that you want to like a copy and pasting like a big URL into a this Python user defined variable. Just wait and it will be just showing here short URL is this one. So now I'm just show you and copy and pasting here. You can see this thing, this. Okay, so this is a very one command is there, only PyShortener function, which website tiny URL short and URL variable. Otherwise if you want to share like in here any of the variable, so you can share it like a constant value you can but I'm just showing a user defined variable. After that it will be showing here this call only one liner command only. So I hope you are understanding very well. If you have any doubt, any questions, so please share the comments and share to your friends, as well as like, share and subscribe this channel as well as please. And thank you so much for watching Knowledge Mania. Thank you.